Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic New Cartesian sign convention. It is also known as simply sign convention. Nowadays, sign convention is used for measuring the various distances in the ray diagrams of concave mirror and convex mirror. According to New Cartesian sign convention, the pole of the mirror is taken as the origin, and all the distances are measured from the pole P of a spherical mirror. For convenience, the object is placed on the left of the mirror. Thus, the incident ray is considered to travel from left to right. Distances measured in the direction of incident ray are taken as positive, that is right of the spherical mirror, either it is concave mirror or convex mirror, it is considered to be positive. Distances measured in the direction opposite to that of incident rays are taken as negative, that is left side of the mirror are always taken as negative. Distances measured above the principal axis are positive, that is height of the object and erect image are positive. Distances measured below the principal axis are taken as negative, that is height of a real inverted image is negative, that is perpendicular height below the principal axis is taken as negative. Now next topic is mirror formula. What is mirror formula? The relationship between distance of the object, that is object distance u, image distance v, and focal length f of a spherical mirror is called mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? 1 by focal length of a mirror is equal to 1 by object distance plus 1 by image distance, that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where f denotes focal length of the mirror, v denotes distance of the image, and u indicates distance of the object, that is object distance. Now how to define the term magnification? The height, it is defined as the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object, and magnification is denoted by letter m. So formula for the magnification, m is equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. So what is the formula for the magnification? m is equal to hi by ho, which is equal to minus v by u. Now on the basis of this formula, how would you solve the numerical problems? So one question which is given in your NCERT book, that is and it is based on the mirror formula or on concave mirror. In this question, an object of size 7.0 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. Here object of size 7 centimeter means this is the height of the object. So where it is written as size, length or height, that is, it is considered to be HO. So height of the object in this question is given, that is size of the object is 7 centimeter. Also given in this question, concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. In this question, focal length which is denoted by a small f, and in concave mirror focal length is always negative. So here f is equal to minus 18 centimeter. Now, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focus image can be obtained? Screen means where screen will be placed, where the image of the object will be formed. So this is the distance of the screen, means that is V. That is image distance. So we have to calculate V. And in question also given, an object of height 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. It means the object whose height is 7 centimeter, it is placed left side of the concave mirror. That is, distance from the concave mirror to the object is 27 centimeter, and we know that object distance is always negative. So here object distance u is equal to minus 27 centimeter according to sign convention. Now it is very easy to solve the question. All of you know the formula, mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. In this question the value of u is given minus 27, so 1 by minus 27 centimeter plus 1 by v, because we have to find the value of v, which is equal to 1 by focal length, that is minus 18 centimeter. So 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 18 centimeter plus 1 by 27. After taking LCM of 18 and 27 we get 54. So on calculate, the value of image distance V is minus 54 centimeter. Now how would you find out the magnification, that is height, magnification and height of the image, that is size of the image? So here we know the formula, magnification is equal to HI by HO is equal to minus V by U. So minus V by U is equal to HI by HO. So minus V by U is equal to, all of you know the formula, the value of V is equal to minus 54 centimeter and U is minus 27 centimeter. On calculating we get the M, that is magnification, is equal to minus 2. So after multiplication, so here V is equal to M into U. So size of the image equal to 2 into size of the object. So 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter. Now what is the nature of the image? So nature of the image is real, inverted, and image is formed at a distance of 54 centimeter from the concave mirror. Thank you.